This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Vinis Almonte. This charming Seagate model 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom model home is waiting for its new owner. It encompasses an exquisite 2,022 square feet living space with a split floor plan and great open concept. The kitchen features gorgeous granite countertops and rich, dark cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, an eat-in area, a breakfast bar and upgraded plumbing fixtures. Low HOA fees. All 3 bedrooms and the full bathroom are conveniently located towards the front of the home. The master suite is at the rear of the home, featuring high ceilings. The master bathroom has dual sinks, a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. The home also features a whole house water softener system. Located in the Highland Estates section of Ayersworth, the area is impressively well maintained and offers many amenities to its residents. This wonderful community has a swimming pool, fitness center, basketball and volleyball courts, a playground and a clubhouse. Located just 1 hour from Siesta Key Beach, Sarasota's gateway to the sparkling waters. Similar commute to Clearwater and just 20 minutes away from downtown Tampa. Come and experience the explosive growth Riverview/WIMAUMA has to offer. From shopping to dining, sports arenas and the soon upcoming WIMAUMA Crystal Lagoon. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Vinis Almonte at 813-512-2100.